Forget everything you thought you knew about reality. Our universe is hiding something, and it's right under our noses, controlling everything from gravity to your very existence. We've sent rovers to Mars and stared into the deepest corners of space. But for all our knowledge, the 5 biggest pieces of our universe are completely invisible to us. Today, we're diving into 5 cosmic physics mysteries that reveal that 95% of the cosmos is an open question. Let's start with the one thing that binds the entire universe together. Imagine a giant cosmic ghost. We can't see it. It doesn't emit light, but we know it's there because of its immense gravitational pull. This is dark matter. Galaxies spin way too fast. Based on the visible stars, they should be flying apart, yet they stay perfectly intact. The only way is if there is an enormous amount of unseen mass acting as a gravitational anchor. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the entire mass and energy of the universe. It's the universe's scaffolding, and we have no idea what it's made of.
If dark matter is the invisible glue, then dark energy is the invisible motor. For decades, physicists believed gravity would slow down the universe's expansion. Then, in the late 90s, we discovered the expansion is accelerating. Dark energy is a mysterious, repulsive force that permeates all of space and acts as an anti-gravity. Here's the mind chiller. Dark energy makes up a staggering 68% of the total energy density of the universe. That means everything we can touch, see, and measure, the planets, stars, and galaxies, is less than 5% of everything.
According to our best models, the Big Bang should have created exactly equal amounts of matter and antimatter. When they meet, they annihilate each other in a flash of pure energy. If the universe started with a perfect balance, there should be nothing left today, just a sea of radiation. But clearly, we're here. This implies that for every billion pairs of annihilating particles, there was one single extra particle of matter left over. This tiny asymmetrical remnant is literally everything we see in the universe. Why was that tiny excess of matter created? Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes slowly evaporate over time via Hawking radiation. But this creates a monumental problem, the information paradox. Quantum physics dictates that information can never be truly destroyed. Yet, when the black hole evaporates, the radiation it emits is thought to be completely random, carrying none of the specific data that fell in. So where did the information go? Did it truly vanish, violating a foundational law of physics? For years, the Pioneer 10 and 11 spacecraft showed a subtle, inexplicable deviation from their predicted trajectories as they flew out of our solar system. This was the Pioneer anomaly. Both probes were slowing down slightly more than expected. It wasn't a massive change, but it was a persistent, small, unexplained acceleration pushing back toward the sun. While the likely culprit was eventually traced to thermal radiation from the spacecraft itself, the period of uncertainty opened the door to exotic ideas. Could it have been an undetected fifth force? The ambiguity itself highlights how little we truly know about the space directly beyond our planetary boundaries. 5 mysteries, 95% of the universe unexplained, and the realization that we are living in a cosmos governed by forces we can't see. The greatest thrill of physics isn't finding answers, it's recognizing that the questions are infinitely more profound.